Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Namma Mane Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Today we have a very special person in our kitchen, and that is my mother-in-law. So you all know that today we are going to prepare a very authentic and traditional recipe in our kitchen. We are going to prepare an authentic Mangalore style fish curry. Let's quickly begin with the recipe, and here are the ingredients. You may pause this video right here and take a screenshot of the ingredients list so that you can be ready with the ingredients and we can cook this recipe together. We will need fish of around 1 kg. I've taken pink perch, coconut oil 3.5 tablespoons, 8 Gunturu Chillies, 10 Bydagi Chiilies, Coriander Seeds 2 tablespoons, Jeera 2 teaspoons, Methi seeds 1/4 teaspoon, peppercorns half tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, around 1 cup of grated coconut, 13 garlic cloves, 2 big size onion, 1 big size tomato, 1 big lemon size tamarind, 3 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, few curry leaves, some coriander leaves, this is optional, and salt as per taste. Firstly, we will roast all the masala ingredients one by one, for which let's take a kadai. Now we have taken around half tablespoon of coconut oil. Now let us go ahead and dry roast both the varieties of dry red chilies. Intensity of heat required to roast each masala ingredients are different, and that is the reason we are roasting each masala ingredients separately. Once the dry red chilies are roasted, let's take it off the kadai, and now I'm dry roasting coriander seeds. Now jeera seeds. Take it off once roasted. Let's roast methi seeds slightly. Now finally, let's go ahead and roast the peppercorns and keep it aside for it to cool down. As you see, I've roasted all the masala ingredients one by one and kept it aside. Now take a mixie jar and add 1 cup of grated coconut, garlic cloves, 1 big size onion, tamarind, and add all the roasted masala ingredients once they are cooled down. Now I'm adding around half a cup of water in order to grind this masala into a fine paste. As you see, I've ground this fish curry masala into a fine paste. Let's keep a mud pot or a kadai over the gas. Once the mud pot is completely heated, let's add some oil. Once the coconut oil is heated, let's add some chopped onion. Taste of any non-veg recipe enhances if you prepare it using this mud pot. I'm adding some curry leaves along with it. Once the onions are slightly cooked, let's go ahead and add chopped tomatoes. As you see, the tomatoes are cooked well and the oil is getting separated. Once the tomatoes are cooked well and the oil gets separated, let's go ahead and add the ground paste. Mix it well. Now let's go ahead and add some water. As you see, my mother-in-law has taken some water in the mixie jar and she is adding it little by little. Please do not forget to like this video if you like my mother-in-law's recipe, and also please do let me know in the comment section if you try this recipe. She has kept the fish gravy consistency to medium by adding a little bit of water. Now let's go ahead and add some green chilies. I've added some chopped ginger as well here, but the video clipping is missing. Now let's go ahead and add some salt as per taste and mix this well. Now let's go ahead and close this mud pot with a lid and let this fish gravy boil for around 3 to 4 minutes. Remember not to add the fish before boiling the gravy. Once the fish gravy is boiled for around 3 to 4 minutes, let's go ahead and add the cleaned fish. We had marinated this fish with some salt and turmeric after cleaning it. Now, before adding it to the gravy, we have cleaned it with water once again. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. I'm adding a little bit of turmeric here. You can add this turmeric while preparing the masala as well. Any fish would cook very quickly, hence make sure that you do not overcook. Now let us go ahead and close this mud pot with the lid and let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. This is also a best combination with some rice and also Neer Dosas. Now finally, we are adding some coriander leaves. This is optional. Now let's go ahead and turn off the gas and close the mud pot with the lid. As you see, our authentic, traditional and yummy Mangalore Style Fish Curry is ready to be served. I've served this fish curry with some hot Raagi Muddhe. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Mane Aduge and hit the bell icon. If you like my video or if you try this recipe, I request you to hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please drop them under the comment section. And also, please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.